This weekend, millions of Americans will celebrate Labor Day. This holiday marks the traditional end of the summer season. It is also an opportunity to reflect on the contributions of hardworking Americans all across our country, from teachers, farmers, and healthcare professionals to firefighters, police officers, small business owners, and workers on the assembly line. The American workforce continues to be the marvel of the world, yet many working families have been weathering tough economic times. There are families across our country struggling to make ends meet. There's an understandable concern about the high price of gas and food, and many Americans are worried about the health of our housing and job markets. I share these concerns about our economy, yet there have been some recent signs that our economy is beginning to improve. While the housing market is continuing to experience difficulty, the decline in home sales has leveled off recently, and sales are rising in some parts of the country. Orders for some durable goods, such as business equipment, are rising. And earlier this week, we received a report that America's economy grew in the second quarter at an annual rate of 3.3%, surprising analysts who were predicting an economic recession. These welcome signs indicate that the economic stimulus package that I signed earlier this year is having its intended effect. The growth package will return more than $150 billion back to American families and businesses this year. Many Americans who receive tax rebates are spending them. Businesses are taking advantage of tax incentives to purchase new equipment this year. And there are signs that the stimulus package will continue to have a beneficial impact on the economy in the second half of the year.